Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a dark beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you don't have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with seeing all the instruments that you can play, you can get started with recording yourself, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with making a dark beat. So basically guys, we have some tools at our disposal that can help us with the journey. So the first thing we can do is look at the live loops section right here next to the tracks. As you can see, we have the live loops where Apple has already made some loops that we can use for making our music. As you can see, you have EDM, dubstep, electrofunk, and so on. So you can maybe find a loop right here that's going to suit your needs for your dark track that you can go ahead and choose and get started with. But if you want to create it from scratch, you can do it right here in the track section where we can get started with finding all the instruments that we can play. So you have the option to either use the audio recorder so that your iPhone can be used as a microphone and you can record yourself playing any instrument in real life. But if you just want to create it with virtual instruments, this is where you can find them. So here is a lot of options that you have. As you can see, you can find instruments that are going to go ahead and help you get your dark theme. But basically guys, the most instrument that you're going to be wanting to use is the keyboard. So the keyboard is the number one instrument that's going to help you achieve your dark theme. So what you can do is go ahead and select all the options right here that are going to enable you to get your desired effect. You can get started playing with it, recording yourself, and once you have recorded yourself, you can go into mixing mode right here in the upper left corner by clicking the button, and it's going to show you your piano right here. So now you can go ahead and get started managing it, getting your perfect notes, and assembling your dark theme. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.